Hello everyone, welcome back to INDEMYS student channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about VBA with Excel, how to run macros. This chapter is then intended for those who are not familiar with Excel and the Excel macro recorder, or who are inexperienced with programming using the Visual Basic language. Specifically, this chapter covers the following topics. First, the Excel macro recorder, as a previous videos, user-defined function, the Excel object model, and VBA programming concept. Running macros. Let's take a previous case as an example in our video today. If you haven't seen the video yet about recording macros, feel free to click the link in the description below. So, okay, let's jump to the Excel file. Okay, imagine if you already have macros in your worksheets, for example. You can only run macros that are in open workbooks, but they can be run from within any other open workbooks. And then you can only run the macro by pressing Ctrl M, the shortcut you assign at the start of the recording process. How do we know that? If we go here in the developer tab, and then go to macros here, and then click option, you can see that here Ctrl plus M. That's the reason why I say Ctrl M. Another thing you can do is to run a macros by clicking the macros button in the view tab, or by clicking the macros button in the developer tab of the ribbon. Both buttons open the dialog box as showing here. You can run the macro by double clicking the macro name here, or by selecting the macro's name by clicking run. Let's start with the double click here, and it was automatically there. Let's start the other one. If we go here, and then you can click run, it go the other way too. So and then again, this will open the dialog box shown in this example. Okay, it is also possible to assign the same shortcut key to more than one macro in the same time workbook using a dialog box here. Please note that although the dialog box that appears when you start the macros recorder will not let you assign a shortcut that is already in use. Shortcuts are appropriate for macros that use frequently, especially if you, let's say, if you prefer to keep your hands on the keyboard, see, and then it is worth memorizing the shortcuts so you won't forget them if you use them frequently, for example. And then bear in mind that shortcuts are not appropriate for macros that are run infrequently or intended to make life easier for less experienced user of your application. It is better to assign meaningful name to those macros and run them from the macro dialog box. Alternatively, they can be run from buttons that you add to the worksheets. So yeah, that is for today's video. We will be learning more about VBA in Excel as we move through the course. Thank you again for watching this video. And again, since it's quite hard for me to create this video, show me some support by pressing the like button and fill in the comment box if you have any question regarding VBA. So don't forget to subscribe, because there will be more videos are coming. Why am I like a rapper here? I want to be a rapper actually, but it's not possible. Okay, then thank you very much for your attention, for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Phew! Okay, bye!